Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Must. Today I'm going to show you how you can add the date time widget to your Ionic application, just like this, where you can select a specific date, a month, year, and day, and you can click on done and a pop-up window will be displayed like this. But before we get started, make sure to subscribe so that you get notified whenever I upload a new video. So let's get started. So first of all, here in our application, we have the home.page.html. First of all, we need a ion item, and then inside that ion item, we need two elements. The first one is the label, ion label, to display something before the time date. Here, let's say choose or select date, and then we need the time, the ion date time. And inside that ion date time, there are a few attributes that we need to add. First of all, we need the display format. And the display format is very, very important because this display format will let us choose the format that we want to display to the user. So here, display format. And you can display the month by using the double M. You can display the year and the day, double D, and the year Y is Y 4 times. And we can also set a value if you wish to set a value. And also we can add click listener using the ion change. And then the function, let's call it change, and then we pass the event E, and the value, let's say 2020 5.3, something like this. And we are done with the HTML code. Now let's head on over to the TS code and create the function that's gonna be called after the user clicks on this date time and selects a date. So in the home.page.ts, first of all, I have imported the alert controller because we needed to display the pop-up window. And then here I'm going to create a function called change because the function that we passed to the ion change to the change listener is called changed, or is called change. And here change, and it takes one parameter. And then inside it, we need to display a pop-up window. And that can be done using the alert controller. Therefore, I'm gonna here use this and then alert controller and then create. And this create takes an object, and we can have a header to display something. We can display wow, as I have shown you earlier. And we can have also a button. I'm gonna just keep it simple, buttons here. And I'm gonna just keep it very, very simple. And we can also have subheader if you wish to add some subheader. And then you need to display this. In order to display it, you have to call a function called present. So first, let's store all of this in a variable. Let alert is going to be equal to this, to all of this. And then we use this alert, and then dot present in order to display it. And by the way, in Ionic 4, you have to make the function async, and you have here to add the await. And if you don't know about the async functions and the await keyword, head on over to my channel and you will find a specific tutorial that explains this very, very well, and you will understand the asynchronous functions and also the await keyword. And also here you need to add the await keyword, and we are done. Let me now save everything, save all, and I'm gonna head on over to the terminal. And in the terminal, I'm gonna run my application, Ionic serve, and hit enter. And as you can see now, this is the application. We have here select date, and this is the value, the default value. If I click on it, as you can see, we have here a date where I can a window here, a small window where I can select a date. Let's select a date, this, and then I'm going to click on done. And once I click on done, the event will be fired, and this function will be called, and it will display this pop-up window that says wow and okay. So this is an awesome application. The date time is very important. You might want to add it to your application. It's important, and for myself, I have added it to many applications that I have created, and it's awesome. So that's it for this tutorial. If you have any questions, leave them in the comment section below. And by the way, I have created a complete course on how to create an Instagram application using the Ionic framework. If you want to take this course, you will find the link in the description below, and this course will take your skills to a very high level. So that's it. This is Most. Thanks for watching. I'll see you later.